Happy New Year. If you're new here for this new year, I'm Lexi. I make videos about productivity, living your best life, fashion, beauty, and all things girly. Exhibit A. Is this too much? Guys, it's freezing outside right now. Anyways, it's the first month of the new year. There's really no better time than now to get our shit together. You know what I mean? Oh, that's pretty good. So today I thought we'd do a little 2025 reset vlog. Basically, we're just gonna set ourselves up for a gorgeous 2025. I want this to actually be my best year yet. There's something about this year. I'm not playing around. So how are we gonna set ourselves up for that today? We're just gonna be super intentional with our routine, with our work, with our schedule. And I already crafted a new morning routine. You guys saw the first half of it already. That's like my mental health portion of my morning routine, which always goes first. That's when I'm meditating, I'm journaling, I'm scripting. Now we're moving into the physical health, so part 2 of my morning routine, if you will. So for the second half of our morning routine, we will be walking Tyson. It's actually freezing freaking cold in Florida right now, if you can believe it. I think the low is like 44 and it feels like 38. Yesterday it was a high of 77, so explain that. Riddle me this, Florida. What the fuck? Diabolical behavior. So yeah, walking Tyson and then going to the gym. After that, we'll have some breakfast and we'll get cracking on our to-do list. All right, let's go. Hopefully I don't freeze my ass off. That's it. Wait, not that. Are you gonna be cold out there? Okay.
Wanna make you happy and then she goes 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어 대화가 필요해 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해 We're out of time So tell me you want more 지나가버린 추억 너무 잦은 다툼 가끔씩은 지치기도 해 이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 양손들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지
We're gonna get some work done. Actually, as a matter of fact, let's just go through the to-do list for today. Side note, I got this pink notebook off Amazon. I think it was less than $5. I go through notebooks really fast, so I really try to find affordable, good quality notebooks. I love this one. I'll link it for you guys. It's college ruled. There's so many pages. There's just nothing like a fresh notebook to start the new year with. You know what I mean? Like, it just feels right. Anyways, we already did our morning routine. We walked Tyson and we went to the gym. I need to edit and post. I really need to get my Christmas decor put away. Like, hello, how can we focus on 2025 when we still have decor from 2024? I also need to meal prep. If I have some time, I'm gonna like fuss around with my little Pinterest vision board. Other than that, I need to do some laundry. And then of course we need to do some self-care. If you have a lot of tasks to accomplish, especially if you're like rebranding for 2025, you need to write down your to-do list, your goals, whatever it is you want to accomplish. You need to write it down. Studies show that you are more likely to accomplish a task if you've written it down. Anyway, speaking of this to-do list, I need to get to work. It's time for the cleaning portion of the 2025 reset. Because as you can see, the Christmas tree, she is very much still up. Which I'm so sad to take down, mostly because I just love a little mood lighting. And this was just like the perfect addition to the living room. Not only do I have that, but all this stuff back here on that table, that's all Christmas decor that needs to go away. By the way, another great thing to do to set yourself up for a fantastic year is declutter. Hello? I posted a whole declutter with me vlog. If you missed it, it was my last upload. I will link it above and in the description box down below. If you want some cleaning motivation, if you want to do some real decluttering, and if you haven't done it yet, highly recommend you get to it this month. I have tons of other like cleaning vlogs and decluttering vlogs if you want to check those out too. Because, you know, it's nice to have some motivation.
Babe, I don't mind putting that stuff back.
Oh.
If you want to, it's up to you. I was just saying, I don't mind putting it
No, I'm
back.
already doing it. I don't mind. If I need help, I'll let you know.
You're on here now. We got you.
I'm freshly showered and we've already done so much. I got work done, I posted, I went through my emails, we did the gym, our full morning routine, walked Tyson, put the Christmas away, I cleaned up a little, I vacuumed a little after that off camera, we had a snack, we took a shower. That's a reset if I ever heard one. Before we get into the laundry, I want to do some self-care. I was just feeling like now is a good time. Now is a good time. Wait, is this the right one? This is the wrong one. We're putting her back in. Abort mission. I freaking love these little sheet masks. My face just looks absolutely like it gives glass skin. It gives glass skin. And then we'll use my new red light therapy mask. I'm so excited. My days don't look like this every day. Like if I have an editing day, I basically just do my morning routine, eat breakfast, and then edit all day. But since I'm not editing today, we get to do stuff like this. This one goes on for like 20 minutes. I actually just completely revamped my weekly schedule for 2025, but I did trial run this exact weekly schedule before 2025 started. I specifically designed it around what the highest version of myself looks like for 2025. And then I kind of reverse engineered that and I'm like, okay, what would her morning routine look like? Is she procrastinating her YouTube edits? No, she's probably scheduling multiple days out of the week to edit the videos instead of just trying to do it the day before. Stuff like that, stuff like that. So I have 2 dedicated filming days. I have like 3 dedicated editing days. And then obviously I have like my gym days, my rest days. I have a dedicated cleaning day and beauty maintenance day. Those are in the same day. Just like making sure that I schedule in the things that I want to get done, because if I don't see them on my calendar, I won't see them as a priority and I'll just get other things done. Weeks will go by and it's like, dude, I haven't even done a proper beauty maintenance routine. Like, where's the self-care? Do you know what I mean? So my best advice for you, if you really struggle with making a schedule, sticking to it, I would recommend crafting a schedule and test running it, just like how I did before 2025 started. It doesn't matter that it's already January. Okay, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I would recommend test running it, trialing it out, and have grace with yourself. Like if it doesn't work out, if you find yourself getting a little burnt out too soon, take that as a sign like, okay, this isn't working for me. Swap some things out. Give yourself more time for things. Allow yourself time to work out the kinks. And once again, when you're making these schedules, like don't set crazy expectations for yourself. Like if you want to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day, but you're struggling to wake up at 8 a.m. every single day. Well, girl, maybe let's try 7 or like 6:30. Like 5 is crazy. I'm not saying you can't do it. I'm just saying you don't even know if that works with your circadian rhythm. Just because you see a bunch of people doing it doesn't mean that's what's best for you. Take time, figure out what works for you, and that will be the schedule that you can stick to. Then you can move from there. Motivational rant over. We have like 10 more minutes left. It's only 5:34, which I'm shocked we've gotten so much done today. We're usually pressed for time, but I don't know, today's good. Dude, my least favorite thing about sheet masks is it gives you a beard. It's giving founding father. It's giving put me on the back of a quarter. Girl, bye. Honorable mention, Prada Beauty sent me this augmented skin cream. I didn't want to like this. But it's so good. I look forward to putting this on. Like this has replaced my other moisturizers. It kind of has like almost like a gel consistency. Obviously the packaging is gorgeous. And what's really cool about Prada Beauty too is they're really like into refillables. So like this whole thing comes out and then you just buy the refill. You don't rebuy the packaging. The little Prada spatula that comes with it, I can't. Yeah, this moisturizer, if you've been looking for like a nice treat yourself skincare moment, highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Do you need this moisturizer? No. I have other moisturizers that I love that are affordable, but this is like luxurious. Like you can feel it. Like the finish on it just gives glass skin and the texture is outrageous. And after that sheet mask, like my skin looks so good. Yeah, I actually don't even know how much it is. Let me look it up. Prada Augmented Cream. No, because the price. How much do y'all think this is? How much do y'all think this? Now I feel bad for talking about it. I take back everything I said. Well, no, I don't. Baby, how much do you think this moisturizer is? Guess.
$400.
Yes, $390. How did you nail that? This is like,
I made an asinine.
this is all it is. This is like a refillable pod, so like it comes out.
Oh, that's nice.
Prada Beauty is really big on that. Which like, that's like a lot for a moisturizer. Like you don't need that much of it, but I'm not repurchasing that. Sorry, Prada, love ya. If you want to send me another one, I will be forever indebted to you. Oh my god. The woman was too stunned to speak. I don't even know if people in that tax bracket are watching my videos, to be completely honest with you. Sorry, brought it up, guys. Now, for the pièce de résistance. I haven't even used this yet. My mother-in-law got me this for Christmas. Oh, it's lit. Oh, it's so lit. Can I fit my...
Which one do you want to try? I don't want this one to go without different speeds for each category.
Perfect. Insane. Hi girls. It is the next day. You know, seeing as getting adequate sleep was one of my 2025 resolutions, I made the executive decision last night to get to bed at a decent time and finish the vlog today. I'm very proud of myself because how many hours of sleep did I get? 9. 9 hours of sleep. Anyways, it is 7:09 p.m. And now that I've done my non-negotiables for today already, we can dive in to the rest of our 2025 reset to-do list. On the agenda, we still have meal prep, finish refining our 2025 goals, a little Pinterest scroll sesh. Okay, now that I feel we're all caught up, let's meal prep.
Turn on. Sorry. Yeah. My pulling up to a coffee. Gives me a hot name. Turn it off.
Girl. Oh my god, I literally look dead. It's been such a long day. So I just refined my 2025 goals. I kind of had them like roughly drafted in like my notes folder. I just kind of wrote down the finalized goals, if you will. I broke them down into 4 categories: physical health goals, personal goals, career goals, and relationship goals. For relationships, that's going to be like not just me and my husband, also like friendships, family. Personal goals is kind of just like how I want my overall lifestyle to be. Career goals is obvious. Physical health goals, obvious. This year I'm doing something different. Usually I make like a full vision board, but I actually made my like printed out framed vision board in my office halfway through last year, and I still like it. It's still very relevant. So we're gonna keep her up for now. If I get the itch randomly, I will print stuff out and revamp her, but I don't feel like that's necessary. This year I'm actually making Pinterest boards for separate categories. So I have one for 2025 relationship goals, career goals, physical health goals, personal goals, 4 separate boards. And I feel like it's so much nicer just to see everything this way. I usually have like a running vision board throughout the whole year that I just kind of add stuff to. It's basically just like my mood board for the life that I want. So I'm probably gonna pull some things from that specific board and just kind of categorize that way. But before I do that, or even like look at my home feed or just grab random inspo, I'm typing in keywords that are related to the specific goals that I set for each category. So like, for example, I want to have more fun memories with my girlfriends this year. So I looked up like best friend aesthetic, girls trips, stuff like that. And I'm adding those photos to my relationship goals. You get the vibes. I want to read 25 books this year. I'm including audiobooks in that just because that's realistic for me. So I'm going to look up like book girl aesthetic. These are the vibes that I want. Yes, exactly. Anyways, I'm gonna keep cracking on this because it's honestly so much fun. Like, I'm sorry, pinning on Pinterest with a glass of wine at the end of the night is just one of the greatest activities a woman can experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2025 reset vlog. If you made it to the end and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because I do post new videos every single Friday. Yes, girls, Friday is the official upload day of the new year, unless it is detrimental to my physical and or mental health. There will be a video every single Friday this year. Other than subscribing, please give this video a big ass thumbs up if it gave you any motivation for the new year, or if you just want to support me, because it really helps my channel out so much. Don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I will have all of those links in my description box down below. There's also other fun stuff in my description box, guys. Like I have my Spotify playlist, my LTK if you want to shop my outfits, products I've been talking about and loving. Just take a little trip down there. Highly recommend. Thank you girls for being here with me for yet another year. I just hope this is our best one yet. Cheers to us. Okay girls, I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.
줬던 내 사랑이시고 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어. No, I can't, just can't. 가져 내 마음을 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐.